This is the busy industrial zone in Kitengela, commonly known as Export Processing Zone (EPZ), which mainly manufactures quality products for the export market.
Most of our buyer is from US, and around 80% of our order is from our US buyer.
And among the 10 companies in this industrial zone is this that deals in sportswear.
This company specializes in brands like Reebok, Izod, Cherokee. They basically also do the Polo, very nice brand of t-shirts. But basically they specialize in sportswear for the US market.
Most people know EPZ-based firms for producing high-quality products. However, attaining these is not all smooth and without challenges.
The cost of power has been a challenge to the most of industry, because we are just appealing to the government whether they can scale down the cost of power so that we can be competitive in the global market.
Last year, the government organized fairs in several across the country where EPZ-based companies sold quality garments at less than 700 shillings each in a bid to encourage Kenyans to embrace new clothing as opposed to mtumba. According to participating firms at EPZ, the fairs were a huge success, highlighted by the thousands of Kenyans who visited.
The sales was very good, and even the price was very nice. Okay, our workers, our people like very much. Even they plan, they ask us when we will have the next one.
Even though the EPZs mainly produce for the American market under the African Growth and Opportunity Act that was in 2015 extended for 10 years, the firms are also diversifying to other markets.
For American market, we have 99% of the sales there, and then we have 1% of Canada market and Peru and Australia market.
And amid concerns of the high cost of electricity and sometimes erratic supply, stakeholder engagement with electricity utility firm helped secure a dedicated line to area, which coupled with backups has helped keep EPZs powered for production.
We don't pay VAT on power, but sometimes we experience outage of power. I think it's because of the generators that are set in EPZ, which need some improvement.
Among the biggest challenge that Kenyan producers face is stiff competition from those in other countries like China and India, whose cost of production is lower on account of, among others, government subsidies.
We make the investment climate competitive by offering our investors incentives which they can hinge on. For example, we give them fiscal incentives which give them tax holidays. We allow them to import the raw materials and equipment that come into the factories, all the inputs duty-free. They are exempted from VAT when they source some of the inputs locally. And we allow them also to repatriate and take their dividends out of the country without taxes.
Several Kenyans have directly benefited from the existence of EPZs and are fully of praise of firms operating here.
EPZ imenisaidia kazi kwa maisha, kufundisha watoto, kununua motorbike na nimekaa maisha mazuri.
Nimesomesha mtoto wangu, sasa ana join form 1, nimenunua hata shamba, kwa hivyo imenisaidia sana. Export Processing Zone is an industrial zone supported by the government of Kenya. It is playing a vital role in seeing the achievement of the Big Four agenda, especially in the manufacturing sector, with activities such as medical supplies, printing and packages, and health supplies. It has also created some job opportunities, especially to the youth in Kenya, having over 17,000 youths employed here. Felicity Gitonga reporting for Channel 1.